Did you know that India now accounts for over 25% of the global two-wheeler market? That's right. This massive share highlights just how crucial India has become in this industry. And today, we're diving deep into why India is dominating the global two-wheeler manufacturing scene. Welcome back, everyone. Today we're talking about something that's really exciting: India's booming two-wheeler manufacturing industry. Not only is it making waves domestically, but it's also making a huge impact on the global market. So grab your helmets as we explore how India is accelerating ahead in the two-wheeler game. From humble beginnings to global dominance, India's journey in the two-wheeler industry is an inspiring tale. The evolution of motorcycle models over the years showcases the industry's adaptability and growth. It reflects the nation's growth and its aspirations on the world stage. The bustling streets filled with two-wheelers are a symbol of India's dynamic spirit and forward momentum. One of the major factors in this is the Indian government's supportive policies in the 50s and 60s. They've rolled out initiatives to boost manufacturing, making it easier for companies to set up shop. This includes everything from financial incentives to easing regulations. Companies like Bajaj Auto and Jawa started assembling scooters and motorcycles under license from foreign manufacturers. These collaborations were crucial in bringing modern engineering to Indian soil. In India, a single brand has come to represent reasonably priced mobility scooters, that is, the Bajaj Chetak. This two-wheeler gave Indians a sense of freedom and independence that was previously unattainable for many, revolutionizing the way they traveled. The success of companies like Bajaj Auto paved the way for others. Hero MotoCorp, then known as Hero Honda, emerged as a major player. They partnered with Honda of Japan to bring fuel-efficient and reliable motorcycles to the market. These Indian companies weren't content with just assembling foreign designs. They invested in research and development. They tailored their products to the specific needs of the Indian consumer. This focus on localization proved to be a winning formula. By the turn of the century, India's two-wheeler industry had come of age. Indian manufacturers were no longer just local players, they were becoming global forces. They started exporting their vehicles, showcasing their quality and affordability to the world. This global expansion wasn't just about selling vehicles, it was about exporting Indian engineering and manufacturing expertise. It was about establishing India as a leader in the global automotive landscape. For decades, Japanese manufacturers like Honda, Yamaha, and Suzuki dominated the global motorcycle market. Their technology and reliability were unmatched. However, Indian companies began to challenge this dominance. They offered motorcycles and scooters that were not only affordable, but also fuel-efficient and stylish. This resonated with consumers in Asia, Africa, and Latin America. Chinese companies were the first to gain control of these markets. However, Indian motorcycles were more dependable than them. Indian companies have an advantage over Chinese companies because these export markets are similar to those in India. Due to their deep understanding of local consumer preferences, Indian businesses have modified their product offerings to include scooters and commuter bikes that are ideal for urban transportation. Indian motorcycles are made with a sturdy construction that allows them to be used on rough roads, which are a common issue in many regions of Latin America and Africa. According to the Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers, the Indian two-wheeler manufacturers exported a total of 4.44 million units in FY 2022-23. Just last year, India's two-wheeler production hit an all-time high, surpassing 21 million units. This achievement not only solidifies India's position as a manufacturing powerhouse, but also signals to the world that Indian manufacturers are more than capable of meeting global demands. This milestone was celebrated by major players like Hero MotoCorp and Bajaj Auto, who have expanded their production facilities to increase output. It's a clear indication that India is not just participating in the global market but is actually leading it. Companies like Bajaj Auto and TVS Motor Company established manufacturing facilities in other countries. But like any other industry, the Indian two-wheeler industry is also facing some challenges. The shift toward reducing the carbon footprint is one of them. With climate change being a hot topic, the pressure on manufacturers to produce eco-friendly vehicles is rising, and the need to adapt to stricter emission norms are some of the hurdles. This means investing in greener technologies and materials, which can be a hefty challenge for many. And let's not forget about innovation. Keeping up with the latest trends and consumer demands requires relentless effort and resources. So, while the two-wheeler market is booming, there are definitely hurdles that need to be overcome. Fortunately, India has a vast pool of engineers and technicians who are not just talented, but also cost-effective. This means companies can manufacture high-quality vehicles without breaking the bank. India is rapidly adopting advanced manufacturing technologies, from robotics to AI. These advancements streamline production processes and improve efficiency, allowing manufacturers to keep pace with global demands. All of these factors combined create a powerful engine for India's two-wheeler industry to thrive. Also, let's not forget that the global automotive industry is undergoing a massive transformation, the shift towards electric vehicles. And here, India is embracing this change with open arms. New startups are emerging with innovative electric scooter and motorcycle designs. This shift towards electric vehicles aligns with India's goals of reducing its carbon footprint and dependence on fossil fuels. So, to wrap things up, we've seen how India is not just a player but a dominant force in the global two-wheeler market. With supportive government policies, a skilled workforce, and technological advancements, India is shaping the future of the industry. It's exciting to think about where this growth will lead us in the coming years. The demand for affordable and efficient personal transportation is only going to increase, both domestically and globally. Indian manufacturers are well positioned to capitalize on this demand. They have the experience, the technology, and the drive to succeed. The future holds immense potential for growth and expansion. The story of India's two-wheeler industry is a testament to human ingenuity, ambition, and the power of innovation. Now, we want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on India's two-wheeler manufacturing boom? Do you think it can maintain its lead in the global market? Leave your comments down below. And if you're interested in more such content, don't forget to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.